Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for me. And we are going to be making these cool little guys today, and I'm going to turn them into brooches as well. So I thought they'd be kind of fun to sell at the local fair for this Halloween market I'm going to next weekend. So I thought I'd share the little pattern with you guys. So let's get started. We're going to be using a 4mm hook and a darning needle, as well as some scissors, and we're going to need some black and white double knit yarn. I think that's light worsted in US, so, but let me know in the comments below if I've got that wrong. I'm pretty sure it's right, but I'm not 100%. So let's get started. We're going to grab our yarn and we're going to make a magic ring. So I like to make my magic ring by wrapping it around my finger twice. If you don't know how to do a magic ring, I've got a tutorial on how to do it several different ways, and I'll pop that up here for you. I'm going to bring it through, put it off my finger, and then we're going to chain up 2. So 1 and 2. Then we're going to put 12 double crochets into this magic ring. And then we're going to slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet that we made, as that chain 2 does not count as a double crochet. Now we're going to chain up 3, and then we're going to put another double crochet into that same stitch. Then we're going to put 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. We're going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 that we made at the beginning of this round, as it counts as a double crochet in this round. Okay, so you should have 24 double crochets in this round. We're then going to chain up 1, put a half double crochet into that same stitch, then a half double crochet into the next 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then we're going to put 2 double crochets in, 2 half double crochets, sorry, into that stitch there. 1 and 2. We're then going to chain up 1, and we're going to put 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. That should have 6 half double crochets. Chain 1 and fasten off. I'm just going to cut this tail end at the back, and then you want to weave in the end. Skull shape done, and now we're going to start embroidering the little features onto it. I'm going to grab my black yarn and I'm just going to cut a nice little length. Doesn't have to be too much, just enough to be able to embroider the little features on. So we're going to place it at the front, and we're going to come up through the back. So I'm going to come up through here at the side. Just hold that tail end at the back with my finger, and then come across to the other side, just here. Pull down, and that's part of the mouth. Then going to make the teeth. one across and up through the base, and then all the way back down in a straight line to the bottom. And then do that again as many times as you like. Depends on how many teeth you want to make. There we go. And then to do the eyes, you simply just find where you'd like to go. So I've got the centre here. I'm going to come across just halfway up this double crochet here. And then down. With this, you don't necessarily have to do a cross on the other side as well. You can just grab something different. You can grab a button. You could make you could crochet a little circle to go on it, or you can use a little half pearl. Make it a little bit funky. It's completely up to you what you want to do with it. You can make it even into a little sugar skull, but I'm just going to stick with the simple cross eyes for mine because I need to get a lot of them done, and this is the easiest way to do it. So let's pop these in. And they don't have to be perfect. I mean, they are like little Halloween-y kind of decoration things, so they can be a little bit messy. So there you go. And then what you'll do is you'll just weave through the back to where the other tail end comes out. Making sure we're not getting any stitches at the front. Got a little bit there. That's okay, it adds character. I like it, I'm going to leave it. Okay, and then we're going to tie these ends. And then I'm just going to cut them shorter. There's my little skull. I'm just going to grab some felt and I'm going to turn these into some little badges, like little pins, little brooches. So bear with me a second. I'm just going to grab my little motif. I'm going to place hot glue all around the outside. Mine looks a little bit red because I've been doing Halloween crafts with the kids. And I had some red glue in there before, but seeing as this one's only for a tutorial, it shouldn't be too much of a worry. So there we go, and we're just going to place it down on our felt and press down. Make sure you're pressing down all those edges. Just like so, and then we're going to cut around it. Grab one of our little pin backs. Some hot glue on. And there you go, a cute little pin. Perfect Halloween. If you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.